we have this already. Next thing we want to do now is I told you I want to build our websites, not from scratch now. We just want to have the content and everything brought from a particular site already where it exists, and just have it on our website. Something very modern, professional looking website. So I'll go to, so for us to be able to do that, we need the plugin. And if you look at it here, this team has suggested a plugin that works with it, so I can get a demo needed, the demo plugin needed to also be able to access the demo. Demo is just like the site that has been created, the content, everything that has been created already. You just need to import everything and have the content on our website. You can decide to start editing one form or the other. So to do that quickly, I'll click on download demo import plugin. So it takes me to another link to a site, an external site. So let's wait while it is loading. So we are here now. Then we'll click on this link here for download to download the plugin. So let's wait while that is being done. Okay. So me, I have the plugin already. That's why it's showing me this. I have the plugin already. So next thing we need to do is go back to our, so if you've not downloaded it before, it will download, but me, I have it already. So what I'll do now is I'll go to where it was downloaded to. So I'll go to open folder. So I have it here, same phrase, demo imports. So what I'll do now is I'll go to plugin, go to add new plugin. I want to install the plugin. Then I'll come to this place. I click on upload plugin. So just like when we're using our theme, you can start for your plugin here. But if you remember the theme session, so we have upload theme. It's the same way the upload plugin to work. So in case the theme or plugin is not in this, is not part of what you can search for here. You can list, or if you've downloaded it already, you can just come here and click on upload. But make sure whenever you're uploading, when in case it is a theme or a plugin, that is it is in a zipped format. Very important. So I click on choose file. Then let me look for it. Theme phrase here. Demo imports 3zip. Okay, this is it. Theme phrase, demo import 3zip. So I click on open. Then I install. Now the plugin has been installed successfully. Remember, just like our theme, after installing, it does not become active until we activate it. So our plugin, we have to click on activate plugin. So we click on activate plugin. So now our plugin is active here. So now we need to get the content, because that's why we install the plugin. We want to be able to use every data from an existing website already to bring to our website, so we can have a very beautiful looking blog in less time and without having to do much editing for now. So what we do, I'll go to appearance. We have this new function here called the import demo data because of the plugin installed. So but not your theme, most times we choose or we determine where this import demo data, where you can see it. Some might be here already, some have to be under appearance, some will be under tools, and so on, depending on the theme you are using and the plugin that is used for getting the demo. So I'll click on import demo data. Now if you come in now, we are going to see 3 samples. So we have this, we have this, we have this. So how do we want our website look like? Now this now is paid. It's paid, so you can see buy now here. So we'll come to this one. We want to use free things here for now, without having to make any payments, except for those that want to make payments for the online hosting. So yeah, if I click on preview demo, I can see a demo of what we want to have on our website. Let's wait till it loads. So this is what we have. This is the first demo that we have. So it looks like very attractive, standard, beautiful, and modern. Imagine having this without much Asm on our server as our own website. So let me show you the second demo that we have. We have this. I'll click on preview demo. So I will pause this. So we have this is the second demo, because there's only 2 demos that are free there. So we have this here. We have this beautiful looking websites here, blog here. Then we have the second sample, delete names and so on. So let's see, we'll choose the first option. So yeah, I'll choose the first option. So we'll go back to this, our dashboard. And remember, you can just access your dashboard from here. You just click on this place, dashboard, to bring you back to this place in case you close it off. So here I'll click on import demo. So I want to import everything we saw in this place to our website. So come and say continue and import. So while that is doing, let's pause the video so don't take much of our time. So our importation, we are done importing our demo. So it's showing me import complete. So I can either click on visit site or just go to my site here, which I have already. But let me click on visit site. I'll click on visit site. So see what we have now. Imagine having this on your website, having this as your website within a few minutes, without much technical knowledge, without too much Asm. You're able to have this beautiful thing on our server. See what we have. Look at this, at the photo. Look at all this. Look at all this. Look at what we have here. Look at all this, all this, all this, all this, all this, all this. And this is just the beginning of our WordPress series. So I hope you two are able to get to this stage with me. If not, you can send a message to me via the group or through the comment section of the video. Thank you very much, and